So this is our Yaris. It's failed its MOT on a list as long as your arm. And these are the brakes. We have to change the brakes. So let's get into it. So this is Reese. Reese loves doing brake shoes. And look at the speed of his hands. You might think that this video is sped up, but it's not. This is the speed he normally works. I wish. So he's released the bottom springs. And he's just using that screwdriver just to lever everything off and disconnect it from the handbrake cable. Quick clean. And blow it off with the airline. One of the things to note, look at that cylinder. That is a new cylinder. Anyway, he's fitting new shoes and a new fitting kit. That's the new shoes going on. That's the adjuster. New spring, part of the fitting kit. Another shoe. Whoops, maybe that didn't go quite right. That's the bottom spring in. And now he's going to fit these new pins. And look at this. Straight away, it's very easy to struggle with those quite a lot. So he's putting the drum on there. That's just to adjust the shoes. So that screwdriver and the hammer job, that's the adjustment. And you can see him centering them up there. A bit more adjustment. Try. Bit more adjustment. Try it. Bit more adjustment. Try it. You're getting the picture here, aren't you? Bit more adjustment. Try it. And obviously he was happy with that. So this is the left one. And exactly the same sequence. Other than the fact this didn't go quite according to plan. And as you watch, you'll see why. Just check the wheel bearing. So he's starting to fit the handbrake cables.
Oh, that's not nice.
So this is him fitting the adjuster. And the new fitting kit. And all this at this point in time is going very nicely. We're looking at it going, oh, we'll be finished in time for tea. Levering them in place, checking everything's okay. Everything good here. Putting the bottom spring in, levering it over the little arms. Life is good. He's going to come back in a minute. Oh look, there's the Jeep gone. Going to come back in a minute with those pins, and super speedy is going to fit the little springs, the retaining clips. Look at that, first time again. And again, look at that, perfect. So again, he's going to, oh look, this now won't fit. So he's going to try and get that to fit. And he's going to try and get it to fit by centering the shoes, maybe adjusting them a little bit. Still won't fit. Not looking good. So he's going to adjust them to a smaller diameter. She's done. Bit more adjustment, bit more adjustment, bit more adjustment, bit more adjustment. Oh, it's obviously not happy. And I think that's because the adjuster looks to be jammed. And look, the boss is putting the bins out. This was meant to be a half-hour brake job. It turned into a full day on the lift. So if you're still watching, let me know your worst brake story. It's really good to know that we're not the only ones. So he's checking the adjuster there, checking that everything's working okay, because he's not understanding why that drum is not fitted on there. So look at that, that was the blink of an eye, and he's fitted them all back. Bit of adjustment, bit more adjustment, bit more adjustment. Look at the speed of that hammer. And there we go, there we go. So he's turning it there, it's obviously turning okay. But it's probably dragging, because I think in a minute he's going to take him back off again.
I think that's good enough. We will now centralise it and see what happens.
So there we go. Something's not right.
Hugh, do you mind jumping in?
I think that's not right. So he's getting in now. He's actually going to apply the foot brakes.
Just handbrake and so foot brake first, and just until that's.
But he's going to apply the foot brakes, and then he's going to. Oh, look at that! Very stiff, very stiff. So as he's applied the foot brake, that drum is now seized, so he can't get it off. So he's tapping that with the hammer. That often releases it, but look at that! It's still very, very stiff. So it was okay, he applied the foot brake, now it's not okay. So he's off to fetch some tools because he's going to have to jack the drum off. Oh, it's recycling day, obviously.
Centralise these brakes. And seized considerably.
We love Toyotas, look at that. Just those little threaded holes make it loads better.
It needs to come down a bit.
Okay, so that doesn't look too bad.
Binding anyway. I need to strip them all off again because of the binding.
It's dragging a little bit, but not too much. Obviously Reese thinks it's too much. So he's adjusting it, but I don't know whether you can see that adjuster doesn't look quite right. Okay, so once again, it looks okay. He's nipped off to put the foot brake on, and look, hard to turn again. So what has gone wrong? And we're going to take this off in a moment.
I think it's that little adjuster not returning correctly.
Which one?
So it's that thing in there.
Okay, so we'll have a quick diagnostic session.
Is it both with the handbrake and the foot brake? Or...
Yeah.
Ooh, that bit goes round and round, isn't that pretty?
So press the brakes a minute, Hugh.
Gently.
Okay, and off.
So we've got somebody else applying the foot brake, and you can see that the cylinder is expanding correctly. But that adjuster, if you look carefully at that adjuster, it's not looking clever.
Yeah. It's loose in there for whatever reason, and then that's come away, see? So it's not returned.
See? It's loose. It's loose in there. It shouldn't be loose. Those springs should be keeping it tight.
Foot brake.
So it's not quite right. Something's not quite right in there.
And off.
See, it's retracting back, but it's not retracting back enough. Something is stuck.
So I imagine that's why they're
Jamming out.
jamming up.
Still not right. It's going to have to come off.
Apart then.
Yeah.
Let's have a look.
Oh, look, there it is. It's off. And you can see now we've got the camera on it, and that adjuster is not looking healthy. It's not engaged properly in the in the shoe. And the adjusting mechanism looks bad, doesn't look right. So we're taking it apart to check it, and you can see that looks pretty good. We hadn't quite assembled that properly, but now we've assembled it correctly and got it working. It's actually working correctly. The problem is not with the adjuster. So it's a little bit stiff there as well. So what I did off camera was to give that a good grease, and that worked a lot better after that. So that thread, I gave that thread a good grease, and it worked much better after that. I should have photographed it, but didn't. But you can see it's relatively, look, the left-hand thread, but you can see it's relatively okay. But what we did do, look, we changed that wheel cylinder. And after bleeding it, have a look at this. This is going to work absolutely fine. Oh, look at that, look at that. And you look, see now that adjuster is working perfectly, even with very light brake pressure. So what we concluded is that the problem wasn't with the adjuster, the problem was actually with the cylinder. And it was the cylinder that was causing the problem. Changing the cylinder sorted that out. Happy days.